Hi there, I'm going to introduce a way to use this page for relieve some of the symptoms. First of all, as you click on one of the alphabet here, you will see the symptoms listed below, which started with the same first letter. Second, click on the triangle to expand the symptom you choose. The combination of acupoints will show and ready to link you to each acupoint. Click on the first link. Here we are. Let's put our finger on this acupoint for 2 to 3 minutes and feel how your body reacting. Afterward, return to the previous page. Again, click on the second link. It's simple and easy to find the location of the next acupoint to perform acupressure. Last, repeat the set of action until the last acupoint is completed. Well done. Let's take a break. Click the up arrow on the right-hand side to return. Alright, we are going to show you very quickly which some of the symptoms we've listed so far. A. Abdominal pain, anemia, ankle pain, anosmia, arm pain, autonomic nervous system disorder. B. Back pain, including upper back and lower back. C. Cough. D. Dark circles under eyes. E. Elbow pain, excessive sweating. F. Flatulence. G. Groin pain. H. Headache. I. Intestinal gas. J. Joint pain when the weather gets cold. K. Knee pain. Kidney pain. L. Loss of smell. N. Muscle soreness. R. Running nose. S. Stuffy nose. Sweating excessively. U. Under eyes circles. W. White tongue. Y. Yellow tongue. Okay, it's done. I guess you've already noticed that there is a star sign behind some of the symptoms during the showing. For example, the high blood pressure, anemia, autonomic nervous system disorders, etc. In traditional Chinese medicine, that regards them as symptoms of some other diseases, rather than calling them the diseases. Therefore, when you see the star sign behind, please notice that it refers to several symptoms, but not only a name of diseases. Click on the link of the star to enter the acupoint combination. Click on the link of following symptoms or the link of a picture above to perform acupressure. When you finish the first acupoint, click the arrow on the left or right-hand side of the picture to continue the second acupressure performance. Continue this step by step until to the last acupoint. Yes, it's done for the set. Click the cross on the top of the right corner to end the turntable. How do you feel? If you are still interested and want to find more related acupoints, take your time and click the search icon on the top of the right-hand side. Enter the name of the symptom to see more.